Joe Hudson from Hudson Hardwood Floors. This is why I tell every customer that calls me, do your own demolition of the carpeting. Why do I say this? So there's no snags and there's no hidden charges or surprises that happen after carpet removal. Because 9 times out of 10, when half the floor is covered by carpet and the other half has exposed hardwood, there's a reason behind that carpet. 90% of the time, easy. So usually what I do is tell customers, get a pair of pliers, go to the corner of a room and start pulling back that carpet. Pull as much of it as you can back. This way you can see what's going on with the hardwood before the contractor gets to it and has to give you surprise charges, not intentionally, but all these spots have shown up, pet stains, you name it, patch jobs from plumbers, and they're all hidden underneath these carpets. So usually I tell everyone, do it yourself, get it done. This way there's no surprises, and